Okay, we are looking for playing for the new sports center. First, we must decide the location. Then we will see what type of service we are going to offer, and possibly names for the sports center.
Yes, that sounds good.
Right. Let's focus on the ideas we had for the location. Last time uh, we looked at some option, but we have a decision to make.
I like it, the one in Plaza Las Antenas. It will be very busy during the week and it will be nice for people to access the center. But what do others think?
Yes, good idea. Yes, okay. We'll moving on to next point. What kinds of service are going are we going to offer? What you think?
We are talking about gymnastics and swimming, but there are many sports centers that offer these two services. I really feel that it will hard to make words defined.
Okay, so to do it another way, we can offer physiotherapy to all other paid, and we call us at the spa and massages. What do you people think about the idea?
Yes, that's fin be me.
Okay, let's repeat. A sports centers that offer a gym, swimming, spa, and massages located in Plaza Las Antenas. So we'll call it Team Good, Team Good Gym.
We don't we call it life effort or money and body activity gym.
I like main and body.
Yes, that sounds good.
Okay, time is running out. Let's summarize what we have decided. It's a sport center that will offer a gym, swimming, spa, and mayas. The location will be square wide. The antennas and welcome to the main and body name. Let's write.
Yes, I think so. That's right.
Everything's ready.